Alright, so we got the engine mount put back in and the steering rack put back in. So all the work underneath the car is over with. Now I could take this off now that the tension is taken off the engine. Now ready to attach the charge pipe to the intercooler. We're going to rig up our boost controller. We're going to bolt this down, refill it with coolant, refill it with oil, and we're going to start this car.
These plugs are exactly the same.
Oh, be a mystery. Oh yeah, I gotta pick that one up from the floor and bring it up. I'm gonna have to grind that off because that shit is ugly. Grind it off later. It's kind of early to be grinding. From here to here. Okay. In hindsight, this T-pole positioning is not really good. They told me it would bolt right up to the other side of the engine bay. God, this is fucked. Crap me.
Alright, so we've refilled the coolant reservoir, put back new engine oil, now we gotta put the radiator, and connect all the last bits and pieces, and then we'll be up for a startup. Alright, so everything's been set up. It's been many long hours underneath the hood, underneath the engine,
Underneath the car.
underneath the car.
Underneath the car. Oh my god, that was my favorite. That light in here now.
Now we're gonna do the coolant flush, which is an automatic process in the BMW. And then we'll be ready for the first startup. Alright, we ready? Ready. Here we go.